What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to clean your charging port in here on your iPhone device so you can actually get rid of a lot of dust and lint and stuff in here that actually is blocking or might be affecting the connection or the connectivity process between your charger if you're trying to charge your iPhone, or for example if you're trying to connect a lightning adapter or a lightning audio adapter like this one in here, okay, that gives you actually the ability or allows you to connect an aux cable here at the back. You might be in a situation where your charging port is not clean and this might affect connectivity issues. Now please note that this is something that you need to actually perform from time to time regardless if you do have connectivity issues or not, or specifically if you are someone who is consistently in outdoor environments. For example, if you drive a bike or a bicycle, or if you are a civil engineer which keeps on actually exposing your iPhone to outdoor environments where you do have a lot of sand, a lot of buildings and construction, stuff like that, you might be actually having a lot of dust inside your charging port, and you want to make sure you clean that regularly every 3 to 4 months to avoid damaging your iPhone device in here. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now in today's video we'll be giving a look here at cleaning the charging ports, and I do have two different iPhone devices in here. I've got an iPhone 16 Pro on my right in here with a Type-C entrance, and on my left I do have an iPhone 6 Plus, which is a very old model of iPhone, but it's just to showcase it to you guys how to clean your charging port. And I'm gonna show you a lot of stuff actually coming out here of our charging port, just for you to imagine a lot of stuff that keeps on getting stuck here on your iPhone device. Now in order for us to perform this, we're going to need here two items in here which will be crucial. Okay, so let's start here from the Type-C connector real quick. Okay, we're going to need a toothbrush in here, something that looks like this. Now you want to make sure that you do have a soft toothbrush, something soft and something dry. Okay, you don't want to insert anything which looks wet or any sort of liquid into your charging port. Now the toothbrush needs to be clean and dry, of course, because we don't want to furthermore add up more dirt into our charging port, of course. Now just simply grab a toothbrush and you want to perform this movement. Insert it inside and then bring everything out. Inserted, bring everything out. Inserted, bring everything out. Inserted, bring everything out, and then to the sides as well here. Left, left, and then to the right side as well. Inserted, right, inserted, right, inserted, right. Okay, so this is something that you want to perform first on this side while your iPhone looks upside, okay, and then you want to flip your iPhone upside down after 5 minutes, and you want to perform the same movement. Inserted, bring it outside, inserted, bring it outside, inserted, bring it outside, bring it outside, and then to the left. Okay, you've got left and then you've got right. Okay, why do we need to flip our iPhone actually up down? Because we actually do have a division here in the middle, okay, that separates the sides if you are running a Type-C port in here like my iPhone 16 Pro. Okay, so you want to make sure that you insert it here properly at the top as well as the bottom sides, or in other words the left and the right side in here of this division right here. Inserted and remove as much dust as you can. Now next up, what we're going to be doing in here is we're going to need a toothpick. Okay, it needs to be something made up of wood. Okay, it's important to be made up of wood. A toothpick will be our best friend in order to help us cleaning our charging port. Now what we're going to do in here is simply insert the toothpick. Please note that if it's the Type-C connector, you want to be gentle. Okay, you don't want to insert a lot of it. Okay, once you feel the middle division here, you're going to stop, and then you want to remove as much dust and lint that you can hear from the charging port down here. Okay, this is the movement we gotta perform in order to remove as much dust and lint here from our charging port, and you'll be able to see that the toothpick will even get darker due to dust real quick. Now right now I'm gonna show you the movement that you need to perform on your lightning charging port. For example, if you do have a much older iPhone like mine, it's an iPhone 6 in here, what we're gonna do in here, in most scenarios you'll only need the toothpick and not the toothbrush, because we don't have actually a division in here, and the toothpick actually keeps on grabbing every dust that we've got. So here we do have the movement. Insert the toothpick, left, remove lint, insert left, remove lint, insert left, remove lint, and you'll be able to have more space to actually perform this movement right here. So you're going to perform left for 5 minutes. Okay, keep on inserting. Remove as much lint and dust as you can, and then we're going to flip the phone to the other side, upside down or upwards, and then we're going to perform the same movement. Insert, left, remove. Insert, left, remove. Insert, left, remove. And you'll be able to see a lot of dust actually coming out here from your phone. Another tip that I would give you guys is to actually keep it upside down like this, so you can actually remove everything and everything can go actually falling here downwards. It's much easier like this, so you can remove as much dust as you can. As you can see here, my finger is actually full of dust right now, which is dust that was actually located inside my charging port. Now, after using the toothpick in here, we're going back to the toothbrush. Same movement in here, insert it in, remove dust, remove dust, remove dust, remove dust, remove dust, remove dust, other way around. Remove dust, remove dust, remove dust, remove as much dust as you can here from the charging port. And you'll be able to see that even the toothbrush is now actually a bit dark at the top here because we've actually inserted it inside our charging port. Now, if you do have an old iPhone like this one, which also has here, for example, an aux connector in here, you can also perform the same movement here with the toothbrush and not with the toothpick, okay? Simply insert it inside, and you can also remove as much dust as you can here from the aux connector or earphone connector in here. And you want to make sure you clean this entrance as well, since you are already here in this scenario and cleaning your phone. Now, this is something that normally you need to perform every 6 months to 8 months. But as I've said, if you are someone who's always exposed to outdoor environments, make sure you actually perform this every 3 to 4 months in order to keep your iPhone connectivity to the charger clean, and make sure that you actually can connect any aux or any earphone without any issue right here. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or any doubt related to cleaning your iPhone charging port as well as the earphones aux entrance if you do have a much older iPhone device in here. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.